So I'm going to draw my roof plan by using first my floor plan. In this case, I just have the outside walls. This is the exterior perimeter plan that you've already drawn. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use tracing paper to draw my roof plan. Here's what is important to know about a roof plan. First of all, the roof plan is not going to lay directly on top of my exterior wall, because in real life, your roof is going to overhang, which is going to be out here. In my case, I know my roof soffit is 18 inches, which is about here. So I'm going to draw my line all the way out here. This area is the soffit. If you're not sure what a soffit is, go watch the module that says, what is a soffit? Essentially, it is the roof overhang because the boards that make up the roof have to sit on this wall and hang out. That helps protect the top of the wall from water, and it gives a nice structural edge for the roof boards to sit on. Then I'm going to follow this around. I know that this little dent in my backyard, the roof does not follow it. The roof actually goes right past it. So I have kind of a shaded area at my back door. So by looking at my roof plan, or by looking at my floor plan and my elevations, and by going outside and looking at my house, I have a pretty good idea of where my roof goes. So I'm gonna go all the way around. Once again, on my front, it just goes right across so that my front door is covered. So there's my first roof plan. I'm going to remove this, and now we have the edges of my roof plan. All we have to do now is figure out exactly what's going on with the ridge line. So the way we do that is we start on any corner, and you will go up and you will make your lines exactly 45 degrees, okay? I'm going to go up at 45 degrees, or at least the best that I can eye it, which that wasn't perfect, but it's good enough for here. I'm going to go up at 45 degrees, and I know that this line is the ridge of my roof. So what happens here? Well, once again, it's 45 degrees. So I'm going to draw this until they come together. I'm going to take this corner, I'm going to go at 45 degrees. And then I'm going to connect this ridge. See, it's starting to look like a roof. Now we will learn, these are called hipped roofs, where they lean over. Some of you may have a gabled roof, and that's going to be a little bit different. I'll show this some images of that as well. But the only real difference is on a gabled roof, this line would come all the way to the edge, and you wouldn't see a triangle on the end. But most of us probably have hipped roofs. Now, on my roof, there is actually something strange that happens where it goes up a little bit. And we're going to see if I've drawn that accurately. In an ideal world, this would come along and it would just meet, right? If those two lines meet, I'd be done. But I'm going to draw a 45-degree angle here, and you're going to see they don't line up. Well, this doesn't make sense, okay? However, all I have to do is draw another 45-degree until they touch. If you've drawn your floor plan accurately enough, you'll realize all of these are going to touch. You'll have to forgive that little line right there. I can't erase it. It's not supposed to be there. And this is actually what my roof looks like. I have kind of a strange little bump in my roof. Depending on how complex your roof plan is, this can be extremely easy or this could be a little bit difficult. Let me show you real quick what happens if you have a gabled roof. If I had this same roof plan, but one of my roofs was gabled, which, like I said, there's going to be an example. So look back through my examples and you'll see. If this is a hipped roof, it's going to go up at a 45 because it leans back and I can see that. Okay, we're going to forget that for now. Oh, we'll draw it in there. If I have a gabled roof, that line just goes all the way to the end because my ridge goes all the way to the end.